Westlake is exploding with new luxury home communities starting at 1.4 million, going on up to 20 million plus. But not all neighborhoods are the same. If you want to build a custom home, you need to discover which neighborhood fits your vision the best. Today we're breaking down the key differences so that you don't waste time or money or choose the community that doesn't fit the best. Included in this video is my very favorite neighborhood in all of Dallas-Fort Worth that you're not gonna wanna miss. And each new construction neighborhood in Westlake brings something different. You'll have gated entrances, beautiful views, or large 2-acre lots. Let's see which one suits you best. Oh, and if you want a list of all of the custom builders in Westlake, Texas, listen, you can't find this anywhere on the internet. ChatGPT doesn't even have this list. Then click the link below and I have a free Westlake Builder PDF available for you, and they're a short synopsis on why you might want to choose that builder. By the way, my name is Dana Pollard and I'm a real estate broker here in Westlake, Southlake, in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. And if you would like help finding the perfect match in a city, community, and or home, click the link below and schedule a free Zoom consultation with me. I would be so happy to help. So first up, and these are in no particular order because it's more about your vision, first up is Westlake Ranch. This neighborhood is for you if you would love an opportunity to drive your golf cart down to the neighborhood hangout spot to make friends and get to know your neighbors. And while this neighborhood can be good for all seasons of life, all ages, it's especially great for young families so the kids can make friends and hang out with each other. The price range, including land, is approximately $5 to $8 million, and the square footage is from 6,000 to 8,000 square feet. These homes are on 1/2 acre lots to 3/4 of an acre lot. This is a gated community and it's situated on a quiet back road, yet it's still not too far for easy access to Highway 114 for a commute or a short drive to Dallas-Fort Worth International Airport. Westlake Ranch has comfortable lot sizes, so you're gonna still have room for entertaining, backyard space. You're not too close to your neighbors, like you don't have to wave out the window and see your neighbors in the other window, but it's not too far either. There are scenic walking trails and open green spaces that make it easy to enjoy the outdoors and take a stroll with the kids. One of the special features about Westlake Ranch is they have a private clubhouse. You're going to notice in Westlake, you don't have very many neighborhoods with clubhouses because most of these homes are built for entertainment. But I love this feature because it's a common hangout spot to have community events, get to know your neighbors, let the kids play. So that's a special feature about this neighborhood that most neighborhoods in Westlake do not have. It's very stylish. You can even host parties or casual gatherings there as well. And this is a golf cart friendly neighborhood, so if you do have a community event, you can buzz on down there quite quickly and easily. Another great feature about this neighborhood, not just the quiet street, but it's just down the street from Westlake Academy. So if you're going to enroll your kids in Westlake, which it's open to all Westlake residents, super easy to drop the kids off and pick them up. Now listen, if you want help finding the best neighborhood or community or home for your family, whether you want to build a custom home or buy resale, I'm so happy to help. And also if you want to build a custom home, I have different packages available. If you need help finding the lot, finding the builder, and then you want to take it from there on your own, that's okay. Or if you want step-by-step guidance through the whole process, I would be so happy to help. All you have to do is click the link below and schedule a one-on-one Zoom consultation, and it's totally free, and I can give you some more information, and I'd be happy to help. Next up is Villaggio of Westlake. If you are looking for a 1-acre lot, this might be your last opportunity to build custom in Westlake. Villaggio is Westlake's newest boutique neighborhood. And it's home to one of the final estate-size lots in the area. Tucked inside a quiet, wooded setting, this gated, stone-wrapped community offers just 17 custom home sites. You're gonna see home designs inspired by classic English, French, and Mediterranean, maybe Texas regional, and eclectic styles. These are all crafted by a hand-picked group of Westlake's most respected custom builders. This neighborhood is for you if you are looking for a little more space and a little more privacy. When you don't want your neighbors glancing into your windows, and maybe you can do without the social gatherings. The 1 acre lots are hovering around 1.9 million just for the lot, and depending on the builder that you choose and level of luxury materials, price per square foot can range anywhere from 500 to 800 per square foot on up, depending on your choices of materials. So the total pricing could be anywhere from 5 to 10 million plus for a custom home in this neighborhood. This neighborhood is located just down the street from the first community, Westlake Ranch, so it's on that quiet street, and it's not too far from 114. And some of the lots can get a little bit bigger than 1 acre, but most are about that. And it's nestled in a serene setting, wooded landscape designed for privacy, calm, and a refined lifestyle. Next up is a very different neighborhood, not just from the last one, Villaggio, but also from many of these Dallas-Fort Worth communities. It's called the Knolls at Solana. This is all about an easy, upscale living with thoughtful amenities that make life more enjoyable. This neighborhood is for you if you are looking for a lower maintenance lifestyle with easy, quick access to the freeways and amenities. The price point is starting at about 2.7 million and it goes up to 4+ million, and most of the lots are on quarter-acre lots, though there's a few that are a little larger and a few just slightly smaller. So it's a pretty tight, packed neighborhood. But the HOA takes care of the front yard maintenance and, of course, the perimeter. Every neighborhood, the HOA takes care of the perimeter gating and all of that. This is a gated neighborhood, and so it's just a little bit less maintenance to deal with. The Knolls is situated directly across from Westlake Entrada that we're going to talk about here in this video as well. So easy, convenient access to amenities. It's right down the street from Southlake, quick access to 114. Really, all of these neighborhoods have quick access to 114, which is a beautiful benefit of Westlake, Texas. You can even get in your golf cart and drive over to Westlake Entrada as well. By the way, Westlake Entrada is where all the new retail is being built right now. And you already have a Starbucks open and CVS and things like that. There are some walking trails and some private green spaces as well if you want to have a little neighborhood hangout or take your friends just to relax. It just kind of sets the environment for a calm, relaxed, natural vibe throughout the community. One thing that's special about this neighborhood is there are some hills throughout the neighborhood. It's a pretty small neighborhood, but I like the topography. It's very wooded, just kind of like a calm yet low maintenance lifestyle. Next, we are going to talk about my all-time favorite neighborhood in all of Dallas-Fort Worth, and this is Quail Hollow. Quail Hollow is a lifestyle about seclusion, luxury, and nature, and it's backed by exceptional features that make it truly exclusive. If scenic views are important to you and you want the gated and guarded neighborhood for the utmost security, privacy, and even exclusivity, this could be the perfect neighborhood for you. Situated right off Davis Boulevard makes it easy, quick access to 114 and the amenities in Southlake. Now, this community is almost built out, so if you are wanting to build, it's like last chance to be able to build your custom home, let me know, because not all the lots are for sale in the MLS, which means they're not on the internet. They are off-market listings. So let me know and I can get you connected, show you around with the last lots that are available in this community. The price point is 5.3 million on up to 20 million plus, and the median price is about $8 million. Square footage ranges from 6,000 to 18,000 square feet on 1 to 2 acre. Some lots are a little bit more than 2 acres, but they're wooded, beautiful lots. And of course, each one has different views and different perks to each lot. But there are majestic oak trees and cypress trees and views that are really stunning in this community. This is a very exclusive neighborhood with only 96 lots. It's actually situated across from Vaquero, which was like the hottest neighborhood for many years in Dallas-Fort Worth, but now it's kind of shifted to, while Vaquero's still great, the newness of Quail Hollow and the beautiful hills and lakes are just a big attraction. Some people have moved from Vaquero into Quail Hollow just because they want to build a new construction home. It does have 24-hour security for that gated and guarded feature as well. And I know many of you are looking for safety or extra privacy. Quail Hollow is like a natural estate style setting. Each estate is designed like a country club in your backyard. So you're not going to see a clubhouse. They're kind of shying away from that in this neighborhood, but it's designed to have full entertainment in your own home because each estate is meant to feel like a retreat. Quail Hollow has some of the prettiest views in Dallas-Fort Worth because it's one of the few areas of Dallas-Fort Worth that's not so flat. There are some hills, some small lakes, and babbling brooks. So Quail Hollow isn't just a place to live. It's really an upscale sanctuary where you have nature, privacy, and luxury all coming together to create something timeless in Westlake. Next up is Westlake Entrada. Now, you've heard me mention Entrada several times in this video by now, and I do have a whole nother video really going into the depths of Westlake Entrada, but today in this video, we're just gonna mention the living benefits or the community because you can purchase a home there. Entrada offers a vibrant lifestyle with its European style village right here in Texas. So living in Entrada feels like you're stepping into a stylish Catalonian village with real-world convenience and an unforgettable atmosphere. All this is within reach in Dallas-Fort Worth. Entrada is for you if you want a social and low-maintenance, convenient lifestyle. Neighbors are constantly getting together, they're talking with each other, having hangouts, but let me just say this, Entrada is not for that peaceful environment, at least not yet, because construction is going to continue for at least a couple of more years. But by the end of it, the vision is very anticipated. It's going to be a beautiful development once it's finished. And this has taken a little bit longer than normal, so again, watch that video on Westlake's like Entrada and it'll go into more details about that. Prices range from 1.4 million and up to 3.8, and they do sit on small, low maintenance lots of anywhere from like an eighth of an acre to a quarter of an acre. You'll have many like 8,000 square foot lots. You're gonna have single family villas and townhomes to choose from. This is a Catalonian inspired walking community with curved cobblestone streets, narrow sidewalks, has canals, bridges, plazas, and pedestrian paths. And it just makes this a charming, strolling neighborhood. It is mixed use living with offices, retail, restaurants, even a Hyatt Place hotel is coming in to this 85-acre site. Again, there's canals and water features. It's really pretty. There's even a little wedding chapel, so you know it's gonna be really cute. And on-site conveniences already open. You have Starbucks, CVS, Primrose School, the chapel, and a salon. Oh, and they just opened the Caspian Club for that extra social community feel. It's envisioned to be a walk to dine lifestyle, restaurant row, hotel, all of that good stuff. All right outside your door, coming soon. And if you want a tour of Westlake Entrada or any of these Westlake neighborhoods, I'd be so happy to arrange that with you. All you have to do is click the link below and schedule a one-on-one Zoom consultation with me through my Calendly link. Next up is Granada. Granada is a thoughtfully designed neighborhood offering privacy, natural beauty, and connection to Westlake's best amenities in a family-oriented setting. Granada is for you if you are looking for security with it being gated and guarded 24 hours a day, and you want a family-friendly vibe. Prices range from 3 to 6 million, and most homes sit on 0.6 acre lots. It's right across the street from Entrada, so again, you can have a golf cart neighborhood. You can even buzz across over to Entrada. So good access to 114 and of course, Dallas-Fort Worth International Airport. One thing special about this neighborhood are the interior trails that lead and connect to the broader Westlake Trail system for a nice nature outing if you enjoy walking or jogging, especially apart from that treadmill. It's really pretty. This is a family-friendly yet serene setting. It's kind of like a country-like atmosphere, but ideal for families with landscape surroundings and mature trees, but it has a modern vibe. Last up but not least is the Ventanas. This is a brand spanking new, up and coming community right next to Entrada, and it offers a lifestyle that blends modern design, boutique luxury, and access to Westlake Entrada. It's all situated in a gated community, but in a walkable setting. This is a great neighborhood for you if Entrada is really appealing, but you don't necessarily want to be in the middle of the hustle and bustle. Maybe you want the gated factor, but it's like literally walking access to Entrada. Prices will range from $3 to $5 million, and the square footage will most likely be from about 3,600 to 5,500 square feet because the lot sizes are averaging about 8,000 square feet. There's a few that are a little larger and of course a little bit smaller, but they're smaller lot sizes for a low maintenance lifestyle. You could maybe fit 6,000 square feet on one of the larger lots. The architectural styles will reflect the sleek, modern aesthetics reminiscent of the nearby Knolls at Solana, with a minimum build size of 3,600 square feet. One of the special things about this neighborhood is it will have a dog park. I don't know that any of these neighborhoods have a dog park. This is the one. And again, it's walkable to the Entrada amenities. Again, my name is Dana Pollard. I'm a real estate broker here in the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex, and I would be so happy to help you find your city, community, your home in Westlake, Southlake, these neighboring cities. It's such a great area in the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex. All you have to do is fill out the questionnaire in the link below, schedule a one-on-one Zoom consultation, and we can get started from there. Thanks so much for watching.